how to unlock your Facebook profile. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your Facebook and make sure you are logged in with your account which you have logged. If you want to know how you can lock your Facebook profile, then you can watch my previous video. And after that, you have to go back to the home page, and here in the top right corner you'll be able to see three lined horizontal lines, so you have to simply click on it. After that, you have to tap on settings and privacy, and here you'll be able to see the settings. You have to go through settings. After that, you have to scroll down below until you see the profile locking option, so you have to tap on profile locking. So here you can see there is two options, unlock and learn more. Since we are trying to unlock our profile, you have to simply tap on unlock option. After that, you have to simply tap on unlock your profile in the lower button. Until it loads, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. After that, you can see the profile has been unlocked, so simply tap on OK and you can see the profile has been unlocked. So hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.